Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a cool ghost effects in CapCut using only your phone. This effect is perfect for spooky edits or creative reels or just to add a surreal vibe to your videos. First, just record yourself lying down like this as if you are dead or taking a nap. Then record another clips of you waking up from that same positions like this. And after that, just open your CapCut and start a new project. And then just upload your videos. In this tutorial, because I use one videos, I will freeze these scenes to make it an main clip. Just go to freeze like this, and on the second clips I will make it as an overlay. And then tap on the overlay clips and create a ghost effect by lowering the opacity. Just tap on the overlay clips and then choose opacity, this one. I will make the opacity like this, and I will add a keyframes to make it more natural, like this. Like this. Then for extra drama, just add blur or glow effects to the ghost layer. Just tap on the ghost layer and then go to effects, this one, and video effects, and search for blur. And then just choose blur, this one, and adjust the intensity. And I will also add another effects. I will add glow effects, this one, and then adjust the glow. Set the durations of the effects like this. Okay, once you're happy with the result, just tap export and you're done. And that's how you can create a simple but powerful ghost effects using just CapCut on your phone. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!